I'm 70, I'll be 71 in a couple months.
80.
88 years old.
I'm 67.
71. I'm 50.
70.
I'm old.
65, 64.
70.
77.
60 years old.
72 years old.
I'm 74.
91 and a half, exactly.
Competition's kind of in my blood.
Just great fun.
Keep moving.
Amazing group of people.
Friend said, let's do it, and I thought, oh, why not?
Just grab shit.
And I can still compete, and I love it.
If I had a couch, I would live here.
Self-achievement.
Beautiful, where people smile and laugh a lot.
Keeps me healthy.
It's a lot of fun.
There's lots and lots of fun.
I know I can win.
This is the best.
Keeping healthy.
Enjoy the game.
Love it. Absolutely love it.
Did it for fun.
Moving. When you get old, you got to keep moving, or you don't move at all. I'd like to be here when I'm 100.
You all